Okay, I have a 2019 Honda Odyssey. I just changed the oil and filter, so I'm going to go ahead and reset the maintenance reminder. I'm going to go ahead and start it here. I got the hood open, obviously, so that's what that warning on there is. So you can see it says maintenance due. I'm going to go ahead and restart this. Not restart it, reset it. Okay, looks like, there we go. Press the home button here. The hood being open, I had to go through a couple settings, but anyway, press the home button to get to the maintenance. You just down arrow. Here's maintenance. You got tire pressure, oil life. We're going to go to oil life. We're going to press the enter button for like 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7,
6, 5, 4, 3, 2,
1, 0, 0, 0. Okay, not sure what's going on there. Okay, so once the 10 seconds goes, I had to do it twice if you didn't look at the time. So you can do cancel, you can do all items due, you can do A only, item 1 only, item 2 only. So basically what I did, you have to look in the service manual, but I rotated the tires, I did all the other service, changed the oil, air filter, did the cabin filter. So I'm gonna go ahead, obviously got to press enter again for 10 seconds, and while it's doing this, I'm gonna go ahead and reset all, because I already done all the maintenance on everything. Okay, so I'm gonna go to all items, all due items, and press enter on that. Reset complete, and now your oil life is set. If you found this helpful, go ahead and subscribe. I'm going to do other random stuff on this car, so go ahead and subscribe.